Welcome to our detailed series on the life of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, where we explore his extraordinary journey and lasting impact on the world. We begin by setting the scene in pre-Islamic Arabia, detailing the socio-political, economic, and cultural environment of Makkah and the broader Arabian Peninsula. This context helps us understand the dramatic changes that were to come with the advent of Islam. Born in 570 CE in Makkah, Muhammad, PBUH, was a member of the respected Quraysh tribe. Orphaned at a young age, he was raised by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and later by his uncle Abu Talib. Despite the hardships, he earned a reputation for his honesty and integrity, earning the nickname Al-Amin, the trustworthy. At the age of 40, during meditation in the cave of Hira, Muhammad, PBUH, received his first revelation from Angel Gabriel, marking the beginning of his prophethood. He initially shared the message of monotheism with close family and friends. Early converts included his wife Khadija, his cousin Ali, his friend Abu Bakr, and his adopted son Zayed. As he began to preach publicly, he faced severe opposition from the Quraysh leaders who felt threatened by his message that challenged their social and economic order. Persecution of Muhammad, PBUH, and his followers intensified, leading some to seek refuge in Abyssinia, modern-day Ethiopia. The situation in Makkah became increasingly hostile, prompting the pivotal migration, Hijra, to Yathrib, later named Medina. This migration was a turning point, leading to the establishment of an Islamic state based on principles of justice, community, and mutual support as outlined in the Constitution of Medina. Muhammad, PBUH, became not only a spiritual leader but also a statesman and military commander. In Medina, Muhammad, PBUH, faced both internal and external challenges. Key battles during this period included the Battle of Badr, a significant victory against the Quraysh that strengthened the Muslim community's position, the Battle of Uhud, a setback due to strategic mistakes yet a crucial learning experience, and the Battle of the Trench, a successful defense of Medina that showcased innovative military tactics. These battles were crucial in consolidating the Muslim community and establishing its resilience. Alongside these conflicts, Muhammad, PBUH, engaged in numerous treaties and alliances, including the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, which provided a temporary peace with the Quraysh and allowed for the spread of Islam. In 630 CE, after years of conflict, Muhammad, PBUH, led a peaceful conquest of Makkah. The city's inhabitants were granted amnesty, and the idols in the Kaaba were destroyed, restoring it as a place of monotheistic worship. This event marked the triumph of Islam in the Arabian Peninsula. In 632 CE, Muhammad, PBUH, performed his farewell pilgrimage, delivering a powerful sermon that emphasized the principles of equality, justice, and brotherhood among all Muslims. He reiterated the sanctity of life, property, and honor, and urged adherence to the Quran and his teachings. Shortly after the farewell pilgrimage, Muhammad, PBUH, fell ill and passed away. His death marked the end of a prophetic mission but the beginning of a rapidly expanding Islamic civilization. Abu Bakr was chosen as the first caliph, ensuring the continuity of his leadership and teachings. The series concludes by examining the profound and far-reaching impact of Muhammad's, PBUH, life and teachings. We explore his contributions to religious thought, social justice, and cultural advancements, and how his legacy continues to inspire billions around the world today. Join us as we journey through the remarkable life of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, exploring each chapter with depth and insight to understand the profound legacy of one of history's most influential figures.